Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So as we are on chapter 3rd, that is Understanding Quadrilaterals. So we have discussed about the curves, like if you take a pen or pencil, if you draw any kind of shape without lifting up your pen or pencil, so the shape you get, it is known as the curves. This kind of shape is known as the curves. Then we have discussed about the closed curve or open curves. After that, we have discussed about the polygon. Polygon is a simple closed curve entirely made up of line segment, like it is a polygon. Then we have discussed about the quadrilaterals. So quadrilaterals are basically four-sided polygon. So all quadrilaterals are basically polygon, but all polygons are not quadrilaterals because it has more than four-sided. So all quadrilaterals are polygon. So we have discussed about the kinds of quadrilaterals like trapezium, parallelogram and kite. Trapezium, this kind of shape, there was one pair should have the parallel, and this angle should be 180 degree, and this one 180 degree. Parallelogram, we have discussed there should be two pair of sides parallel to each other, then it would be a parallelogram. Then kite we have discussed about in the shape of kite, and this one angle and this one angle should be equal, and this side should be equal, and this one equal. This is known as the kite. Now we are moving towards the some special parallelogram that are rhombus, rectangle and square. Okay, so let's get started. So first we are discussing about the rhombus. This is rhombus. Rhombus. So basically, if you take a square means all sides are equal. Okay. So if you take a square and then you push it, so you get the shape in that form. Slightly this kind of shape. So it is a parallelogram and it is a rhombus. It is a rhombus. So rhombus basically it has a property that all sides are equal, because a square has the all sides are equal, and if you are getting the shape kind of like you are pushing a square, so you getting the rhombus, so it means all sides of equal of a rhombus. Yes, definitely all sides are equal. And the diagonal that is bisecting each other, at 90 degree. And the angles are not equal. Remember, only two property you should have to remember. All sides are equal. Sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Okay, you have to remember this one. Next, that is a rectangle. That is a rectangle. Rectangle that two sides are equal. Two sides are equal. Like if it is a B, C and D, this one should be equal, this one should be equal. It is known as the rectangle, and all angles are equal, that is 90 degree. That is the two sides equal. The diagonals are equal. So yes, now next, that is a square. A square. A square. So basically square, like all sides are equal. Properties of a square is all sides are equal. That also holds the property of rhombus. all angles are equal, that is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. Okay, so all angles are equal. If you draw a diagonal, that is also equal. So diagonals are equal and it is bisect each other at 90 degree. So basically you can see over here that the square actually holds the properties of rhombus as well as rectangle. So we can say I square is basically a rhombus as well as a rectangle. Got it? Hope you all are getting the point.